Good morning. Today we are going to see an IIT, JEE or NEET question in thermodynamics. The question is, a vertical cylinder divided into two parts by a frictionless piston is in the ratio 5:4. The piston is free to slide along the length of the vessel and the length of the vessel is 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter means 0.9 meters. Each of the two parts of the vessel contains 0.1 mole of an ideal gas and the temperature of the gas is at 300 Kelvin. Calculate the mass of the piston. The options are 14 kg, 12.7 kg, 16 kg, 15 kg. How to solve this question? When the ratios are given, the temperature is given, also the molar volume is given. We know pressure is force per unit area. From there we can say force is pressure into area. Also from the ideal gas equation, we know PV is equal to nRT. Pressure into volume is equal to N is number of moles, R is gas constant, T is temperature. At equilibrium, the force at the lower part lower part is equal to force at upper part. So condition of equilibrium, both the forces are equal. So the force at the lower part is P1A plus mg into mg is equal to P2 into A. Now you can take this to this side. So P2 into A minus P1 into A is equal to mg. Now you can substitute the gas equation in this. It's a cylinder. The area of the cylinder is pi r square into L. So the piston is moving lengthwise, so only the length is varying. So since the length is varying, I can write for P2 as nR T by L2 minus nRT by L1 is equal to mg. Now nRT is common, so I take it outside and I say nRT 1 by L2 minus 1 by L1 is equal to mg. Now I substitute the values for this. What is the value of N? 1 mole. So 0.1. R value is 8.3 into temperature is 300 Kelvin into 1 by this 90 centimeter is 0.9 meters. So if it is in the ratio 5:4, then 0.9 will be 0.5:0.4. So L2 will be 0.4 and L1 will be 0.5, which is equal to mass into gravity is 9.8, you know. Standard value, gravitational constant 9.8. Now simplifying this, 0.1 into 30 will become 300 will become 30. So 8.3 into 30, 1 by 0.4 is 2. 2.5, sorry, 2.5. And 1 by 0.5 is 2. So 2.5 minus 2 is 0.5, which is equal to m into 9.8. From this, I calculate m as 8.3 into 30 into 0.5 divided by 9.8. I take g value to the other side. Now you simplify this value, I get mass equal to 12.7 kilogram. So option B is the correct value. This is how you have to solve this question. Thank you.